Hey everybody, it's Pratibha from Pravya's Food Diaries, and today I am going to teach you a cheesecake to remember. This is impressively tall New York style cheesecake. The texture is incredible and it doesn't get any easier. To start with, we are going to see the recipe of cream cheese. So let's get started. In a saucepan, boil 1 liter of full fat milk with 750 ml of fresh cream. Once it boils, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. The process is similar to the way we make paneer at home. After adding vinegar, the milk starts to curdle. Once the milk curdles completely, strain it through the muslin cloth. Remove all the excess water and let it sit at the room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't let it dry completely and make sure there is some moisture left in it. After 15 to 20 minutes, transfer all the contents to a mixer or a food processor and grind them to make a fine smooth paste. Also add some salt to taste while grinding it. While grinding, if you find the paste is too dry, add some whey water to it until you get a fine smooth paste. Your cream cheese is ready to use. Once our cream cheese is ready, let's start making cheesecake. To make the base of the cheesecake, take 250 grams of digestive biscuits and grind them to make a fine powder. Once it is ground completely, transfer it to a bowl. And add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to it. If you like it sweeter, you can add 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Mix them well and also add 80 grams of melted butter to it. You can use any butter, salted or unsalted. Here I am using salted butter. A sandy texture of the biscuit crumbs is formed. Now take a 8-inch springform mold and just set the base tray upside down. Lock the springform mold. Doing this step will help to demold the cheesecake effortlessly. Transfer the biscuit mixture to the mold and spread it evenly to get the even surface. Now bake this at 160 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes. For making the cheesecake mixture, add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of cornflour and mix them together. Also add 250 ml of fresh cream and whip them together. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 eggs one at a time. After adding each egg, whip them together to make it well incorporated with the mixture. Don't forget to scrape the sides each time you add an egg. Half teaspoon of lemon juice to get the tanginess to the cheesecake. Again whip it together for the one last time and don't forget to scrape the sides. For baking cheesecake, we need to use water bath baking method. For that, use a foil paper and wrap around the mold nicely. Transfer the cream cheese mixture to the mold over the biscuit mixture. Place this mold in another microwave-proof container. Further, fill the microwave container with hot boiling water up to 1 or half inch. This is done in order to get the even layered without cracks cheesecake. Bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After baking it for 1 hour, let it cool down till room temperature completely. And then refrigerate it for minimum 4 hours, but the best is 8 hours or overnight. You can serve the cheesecake as it is, but I like it with strawberry compote. So to make strawberry compote, in a pan take 500 grams of chopped strawberries, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and half cup of water. Let it boil, and once the strawberries become mushy, add cornflour slurry, 2 tablespoons of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of cornflour to it. Keep mixing the strawberries while adding cornflour slurry to avoid the lumps. Once it thickens, remove it in a bowl and let it cool down till room temperature and then refrigerate it. After refrigerating the cheesecake for 8 hours, it is the time to cut them into pieces. To get a perfect slice of a cheesecake, dip a knife in a hot water and then remove it and wipe it with a tissue paper before making a cut on a cheesecake. Make sure to repeat this process every time before making a cut on a cheesecake. This will make you get a perfect slice of a cheesecake. Serve the cheesecake in a plate with a spoonful of strawberry compote over it. You can see how tempting and mouth-watering this cheesecake looks like. And I am sure that you can't wait to grab a bite of this cheesecake. So what are you waiting for? Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share this recipe with your friends and families. Thank you.